Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the notification channel node. If you don't know what a notification channel node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Notification Channel Node. Let's begin. Drag a notification channel node into your workspace and double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. This should be the device which you want to receive notification events for, also known as the controlling device. The Event drop-down menu has 7 different options for types of events that you can receive notifications for. Now, select any one of these notification events for your own flow. For this tutorial, we'll be working with the Asset Received option. Before we build our main flow containing a notification channel node, let's put together a few flows that will help us test out our main flow. This first flow will show us which assets our device has, so we can select an asset to transfer. The second flow will show us how much of that asset we can transfer. The third flow will transfer some of that asset to our Catenis receiver device. Finally, create a flow that connects a notification channel node to a debug node. Now, configure the Catenis nodes in the first 3 flows to the device from which you will send an asset. Configure the notification channel node to the receiver device. Now click the red Deploy button. Run the first flow and copy the ID of the asset you wish to transfer. Now, set the Get Asset Balance node in the second flow to the asset that you've selected. Deploy and run the second flow. Now, set this JSON object in the Inject node in the third flow to the asset ID that you want to transfer, the amount you want to transfer, and the device you want to transfer it to. Don't remember the ID of the device you want to send your asset to? Open up the Notification Channel node and click the Edit button next to your device to copy your device ID. Make sure the event is set to Asset Received. Now, you can go back to the JSON object and paste in your device ID. Now, deploy the flow. After a successful deployment, the default status of the notification channel node will be disconnected. If you try to run the asset transfer flow now, the notification channel node will not return a notification. You must click the square button attached to the left of the notification channel node to change the status to connected. Now, run the asset transfer flow. The debug sidebar should now display a returned JSON object containing the relevant information regarding the notification. Note that, depending on what kind of flow you're building, the output from this node could be passed into another node in your flow instead of into a debug node. Great work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the notification channel node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn all about the List Notification Events node.